Look at these ads.
Real talk, nicotine pouches were killing my life.
So last week I'm out grabbing wine with a couple of the girls.
I have this oral fixation. I need pouches in my mouth constantly.
If you're still producing UGC the old way in 2026, you're competing at a massive speed disadvantage. In this video, I'll walk you through how to generate ads like these using Arcad's AI step by step, so you can test more creatives in less time, find winners faster, and stop burning budget on slow UGC workflows. Everything I'm about to show you exists for one reason, so you can test more ads before your competitors even finish one creator brief. Ads like this one.
Real talk, nicotine pouches were killing my life. Nobody talks about nicotine, but it's real.
This is Ultra Cool Mint, my favorite focus pouch. Let me show you how nice this little tin is. You get 15 pouches, cool mint flavor, and
The first thing you need to nail is product placement. If the product looks unnatural, the viewer clocks it as fake in the first 2 seconds and scrolls. The mistake most people make is uploading a bad product image. Your product image should be isolated, centered, and clean. Solid background, sharp edges, no hands, no shadows, no environment. Once your product image is ready, choose video, upload the image, and select your generation model. I'm using Sora 2 here, which means we're working with a 12-second limit, so your script needs to be tight. One quick thing you will notice in the prompt, at the very end I have added a dummy sentence. That is intentional. Sometimes Arcads will cut audio early or end a sentence mid-word, so we add safe filler lines at the end that can be cut in editing, making sure the real message finishes cleanly. Next, let's take a look at one created using AI actors provided inside Arcads. Here, we have used Sora 2's realistic looking actors. These actors are remixable, meaning the visuals stay the same, but the dialogue changes. Select Talking Actors, click See More, then choose Sora 2 Actors. Scroll through the available options until you find one that fits. I'll go with this cooking mum. Because we are remixing, only what the character says will change, not their appearance or actions. Paste in your script and hit generate.
So last week I'm out grabbing wine with a couple of the girls and one of them pulls out these Ultra pouches. Turns out every single one of us had been secretly using nicotine pouches.
This would normally take weeks, finding a creator, shipping the product, chasing revisions, and still ending up with one version. Here, you can get an ad you can start running right away in minutes. Just remember, since we're using Sora 2, you're working within that 12-second limit. Make sure your script fits. Now, what if you don't want to write a custom prompt and just want to use the provided actors, but still want someone who fits the exact vibe you are going for, like these two examples?
This oral fixation. I need pouches in my mouth constantly.
I see guys buying nicotine pouches daily.
Same product, different actors, different angles. This is where speed really compounds. Instead of committing to one creator and hoping it works, you can spin up variations like this, back to back. Every extra variation increases your odds of finding a winner. Most brands never get enough attempts. Now, let me show you how these were actually created. Once again, select Talking Actors, then click Add Actors. From here, you can filter by gender, age, situation, and more. Let's say I want a scenario where the actor is standing in front of a mirror. I'll select Mirror, hover over the previews, and choose this one. Click Add Actor, and paste your script. One useful feature here is that Arcads can suggest emotions automatically. If you aren't sure what to add, just click Add Emotions, and the AI will handle it. You can also adjust speaking speed, voiceover style, and other settings. And always preview the audio first, because if the audio is off, the video will be too. Once everything sounds good, hit generate. For the male pharmacist example, the process is almost identical. The only things that change are the filter specifications and the script. And that's the full workflow, from product image to a full UGC ad within minutes. At this point, the choice is pretty clear. You can keep hiring creators one by one, wait weeks to get clips, and waste thousands of dollars in the process. Or you can create faster, iterate quicker, and be part of brands that are dominating paid ads in 2026. If speed matters to your business, try Arcads. The link is in the description. And as always, we're here to help you create smarter with the tools that actually work. I'll see you in the next one.